Everyone likes a good summer garden party. So how can you spice it up and get creative in ways that are inexpensive? My answer is a homemade watermelon keg. It's a festive way of serving beverages on a hot summer day. To start, we're gonna create a flat surface on one end of our watermelon. So I'm taking a serrated knife and just cutting a thin piece off the bottom so it'll stand upright. You're gonna put it on its bottom, then take a smaller serrated knife and create your lid by turning the watermelon and putting that serrated knife in there until you can pull off your top. Now slice that so you have a flat bottom. Put that aside. This is gonna be your watermelon bin where all of that flesh is gonna go. Then take your large knife and just make a crisscross inside that watermelon flesh, and that's gonna help us scoop it out. Loosen all of that up. Now, for the watermelon juice, you have two options. You can just put water inside, and that'll just give you some watermelon infused water, and that'll be a great kid-friendly version. You can also blend the watermelon with water at a ratio of 1:1 in your blender, and that's almost like an agua fresca. It's a sweet, natural juice that's really refreshing on a hot summer day. Your other option is to create a grown-up version. So you could put a clear alcohol inside, and you can also blend that up, and that's a fun grown-up version. Take your large spoon and really scrape the sides. You want a pretty thin side so that you can really pop that spigot in there and let that juice come out. So we're gonna go all the way, leave about 2 inches on the bottom so you have a really stable bottom of your keg, and really scrape those sides. Then we're gonna make our hole for our spigot and our juice. So next we're gonna make a hole for our spigot. You wanna have it about 3 inches from the bottom. Look at the most attractive forward-facing part of your watermelon, and then take a small knife and take the point and make a small circle. Pop that out. You want it to be just a little bit smaller than your spigot so that the spigot really has to push in there and create some resistance. Now you're gonna take the back piece of your spigot and we're gonna screw it on so that it creates some tension so that your keg does not leak. Okay, perfect. Now you just add your favorite liquid. I have pureed some watermelon with some water at a ratio of 1:1, and I'm just pouring it right in there. Fill it up, add some ice, add some mint, put the lid on and set this on a countertop, and then people can serve themselves a refreshing drink on a hot summer day. For more modern pioneering tips, like this video and subscribe to my channel.